This vehicle is a 2023 Ford Expedition, and I'm going to show you how to do the oil life reset. It's easy, so you can go ahead and start the vehicle. Once you start the vehicle, then you use these keys right here to navigate the menu. So you scroll down to vehicle info, press OK, and you want to be on the engine information option. Select that, and then you can press the OK button. Once you're seeing oil life, you can press the OK button, hold it down, and it will reset the oil life to 100%. So mine was already reset, so I just doing the demonstration to show you how it works. So that's it.